Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we're going to see how you can create a photo album on your iPhone. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is simply just open your Photos application on your phone. So after opening your Photos application, here you can see all of your photos will now show up in here. Now, in order to go through your albums, you'll have to scroll down. Scroll all the way down until you see the option of albums. Here you can see this is the option of albums. In order to create yourself a new album, you have to tap on this particular arrow that you can see right here. After tapping on it, here you can see the option of create on the top right corner right here. Tap on create. And after doing that, here you can see there are two different options, new album and new folder. We're going to tap on new album in order to create ourselves a new album. So after doing that, here you can see you have to now add down the name of this album. For now, I'm just going to name this randomly. And after naming that, here you can see there is the option of add photos. Tap on it in order to add yourself photos in this album. So after tapping on add photos, here you can see your gallery will open, and from here you can choose any photo that you want to add in this album. So just like this, I have chosen the photos that I want to add. Now what you're going to do is tap on the add button that you can see on the top right corner right here. So after doing that, all you have to do is simply just tap on the create option that you can see in the top right corner right here. After doing that, here you can see we have now successfully created ourselves a new album on our iPhone. You can tap on this album in order to open it just like this. And in here you can see these are the photos that we just added on this album. If you want to add further more photos, you can tap on this plus icon that you can see right here and add new photos on this album. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can create yourself a album on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.